What if I told you there's a food you've likely eaten that could be silently wiping pieces of your memory away? Not in a dramatic, Hollywood kind of way, but slowly, subtly, leaving you struggling to recall a name, a moment, or even how you ended up walking into the kitchen. Processed foods, specifically those pumped full of refined sugars, artificial additives, and trans fats, have been linked to cognitive decline. It's not just about weight gain or bad skin anymore, this stuff is going after your brain. Studies have shown that diets heavy in processed junk can shrink the hippocampus, the part of your brain responsible for memory and learning. Think about that. The very food marketed as convenient and comforting is actively sabotaging your ability to think clearly, to hold onto memories, to truly live. And the worst part? It's everywhere. Breakfast cereals, snack bars, frozen meals, even things that claim to be healthy. They're loaded with chemicals designed to make you crave more while quietly dismantling the very organ that makes you, you. The food industry doesn't want you to know this. Why would they? Your forgetfulness is their profit. When you consume these foods, your brain gets hit with a sugar surge, a spike that feels amazing in the moment but comes with a crash that leaves your neurons struggling to function. Over time, this onslaught damages the delicate connections in your brain, eroding your ability to store and retrieve memories. It's like deleting files from a hard drive, one byte at a time. And it's not just about memory. This is about who you are. Your identity is built on the moments you've lived, the people you've loved, the lessons you've learned. When that starts to fade, what's left? Here's the most insidious part. This isn't just a consequence of poor choices, it's by design. These foods are engineered to hook you, to keep you coming back, to make you dependent. It's a vicious cycle. The more you eat, the more you forget, the less you're able to make the connection between what's on your plate and what's happening to your mind. But you don't have to let it happen. You can fight back, reclaim your brain, and protect the memories that make you who you are. It starts with awareness, with understanding the ingredients in the foods you eat, and with breaking free from the trap set by an industry that values profit over health. Ask yourself, is the convenience of a quick meal worth the risk of losing your most precious memories?